Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make game pass on Roblox. First of all, you have to open Roblox browser and go to roblox.com, and now you just need to tap on create over here, and once you tap on it, and now under the experience you will see the experience default experience will be by your username. Just tap on it, and now guys you have to zoom in, and here you will see the menu button. Tap on it and scroll down, and under the monetization you will see passes option here. Let me go back again, and you can see the passes option here. Tap on it. Now you can see the passes. Just tap on create a pass button to create your own game pass. Enter the name of the game pass, description, and tap on create pass. Let's do that. And just tap on this create pass button. Once your game pass will be created, just tap on it to configure it. And now again you have to go to this menu button over here, tap on it, and just tap on the sale option, and just enable item for sale. Enter the cost here, and tap on this save changes. Fine. So after doing this, guys, you just need to uh, open a please donate if you want to add it in the please donate game. Open the game, now you just need to look for any empty stand, like this is the empty stand, and just so it is already claimed. Yeah, this is the empty stand. Just hold your stand button over here, and your stand will be occupied, and your game pass will be listed here. Fine, so that's how you can do it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.